In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma pricing plans explained. Choosing the right plan can save you time, money, and confusion. So let's break down what each tier includes and who it's best for. We will move from the free option up to the most advanced, translating features into plain language so you can decide with confidence. Let's start with Starter. The free plan. This is ideal if you are an individual getting familiar with Figma or doing personal projects. You get unlimited files, plus up to 3 Figma or Figma files, and access to basic prototyping. That means you can design, link frames together to simulate simple user flows and get a feel for collaboration without a financial commitment. It's a great way to validate workflows. Explore interface tools and share quick ideas, especially if you are building a portfolio or experimenting with new concepts before bringing in a team. Next up is Professional, priced between $12 and $16 per user per minute month. This plan is built for small teams that need structure and reliable collaboration. You unlock unlimited projects, so you can separate work by client or initiative without hitting limits. Version history tracks changes over time, making it easy to roll back or compare iterations. Shared libraries help your team maintain consistency with reusable components and styles. And Dev Mode streamlines handoff by giving engineers a clearer view of specs, measurements, and assets. If you are collaborating daily, reviewing work together, and preparing files for development, this tier is a strong cost-effective fit. For larger teams, T here is organization. At $45 to $55 per user per minute month. This plan adds design system analytics, which reveals how components and styles are used across files, helping you measure adoption and spot what needs maintenance. Advanced security features give admins more control and oversight. And shared libraries scale across the company so everyone builds from the same source of truth. If you manage multiple squads, enforce standards, or need governance around who can access what, organization provides the structure to grow without chaos. Finally, Enterprise, at $75 to $90 per user per minute month, is designed for large-scale companies. You get advanced security, including single sign-on for centralized authentication, domain management for controlling who joins, and custom workspaces for organizing teams by department or business unit. This level is about compliance, visibility, and control at scale while still enabling collaboration. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.